On a bright Saturday morning, Mia and her younger brother, Ethan, decided to visit the city zoo. They were excited to see all the animals they had read about in books. When they arrived, the first animals they saw were the tall giraffes, gracefully munching leaves from high branches. Ethan was amazed by their long necks. Next, they moved to the lion's enclosure, where a lion roared loudly, making Mia step back in surprise. The siblings then visited the monkey area. The playful monkeys swung from branches, and one even made a funny face at Ethan, making him laugh out loud. Nearby, colorful parrots squawked and repeated words, much to the children's delight. After exploring for a few hours, they stopped by the cafeteria for some snacks. Mia enjoyed a sandwich while Ethan had ice cream. They talked about their favorite animals and decided they liked the monkeys the best. As they left the zoo in the evening, the sun was setting, and the sky was painted with beautiful colors. Mia and Ethan agreed it was one of the best days they'd had in a long time. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What was the first animal Mia and Ethan saw? A. Lions, B. Giraffes, C. Monkeys, D. Parrots. Answer: B. Giraffes. Question 2. What did the lion do in its enclosure? A. Played, B. Slept, C. Roared, D. Ate. Answer: C. Roared. Question 3. What made Ethan laugh in the monkey area? A monkey swinging, B. A funny face by a monkey, C. A parrot talking, D. A lion roaring. Answer: B. A funny face by a monkey. Question 4. What did Ethan eat at the cafeteria? A. Sandwich, B. Burger, C. Ice cream, D. Cake. Answer: C. Ice cream. Question 5. What time did Mia and Ethan leave the zoo? A. Morning, B. Noon, C. Evening, D. Night. Answer: C. Evening.